Stripping everything but alphanumeric chars from a string in Python. What is the best way to strip all non-alphanumeric characters from a string, using Python? The solutions presented in the PHP variant of this question will probably work with some minor adjustments, but don't seem very Pythonic to me. For the record, I don't just want to strip periods and commas, and other punctuation, but also quotes, brackets, etc.
I just timed some functions out of curiosity. In these tests I'm removing non-alphanumeric characters from the string.printable, part of the built-in string module. The use of compiled \w_plus and pattern.sub, str, was found to be fastest.
Regular expressions to the rescue. By Python definition \w ==*a_z09_, which excludes all numbers, letters and underscore.
Use the str.translate method. Presuming you will be doing this often. Once, create a string containing all the characters you wish to delete. Whenever you want to scrunch a string, the setup cost probably compares favorably with re.compile, the marginal cost is way lower. Note, using string.printable as benchmark data gives the pattern \w_plus an unfair advantage. All the non-alphanumeric characters are in one bunch. In typical data there would be more than one substitution to do. Here's what happens if you give re.sub a bit more work to do.
You could try.
alphanumeric process